Ah, don't tell me you bent again, you damn it. Hello. So this is probably going to be my last on-road little video for the season because this stuff's starting to show up. Snow tire law will be in effect. I won't be allowed to ride on the road. So I'm just going to do a quick jaunt here on this lovely Sunday, mostly to talk about mirrors. I have two mirrors now, two different mirrors. The wonderful highway dirt bike handguard setup with their mirrors that they come with and some new pro taper bars, the Henry Reed bend, and top clamp with all the accessory mounts. I switched over to these mirrors because they work really good with the handguards and I actually like them better. And we're just going to do a little comparison here. So let's start the bike now. Now with cold weather starts, these KLXs have a little bit of trouble. So the method to the madness to make sure that it starts every time is when you're getting done with your ride and you're going to let it sit more than a day or even every time, you want to actually shut off the petcock and let it run out of gas to kill the engine. That way you don't have any fuel sitting in the carb and it'll start up easier. All you have to do is just turn on the fuel, wait 10 seconds. Give it a little tiny blib. Now I say that and like if, you know, I eat my own words. Cold starts suck. Come on. Son of a bitch. You know, I haven't had this much trouble. Maybe it's because there's snow on the ground. Oh, shit. That's what I'm forgetting. The goddamn choke. Jesus Christ. I'm an idiot. We're going to do a little which mirror is better test on the road here. Just to see about vibrations and ease of use. To see which dual sport mirror is the best. Here we go. So I don't know if you can tell already, but from my experiences, the double take mirrors vibrate a lot. I don't know if it's because I got the long ram extension or not, but there are definitely more vibrations than the highway dirt bike mirror. So yeah, obviously on a road like that, the double take mirror vibrates a lot more than the highway dirt bike mirror. Even right now, you can see this is vibrating quite a bit, and I'm just cruising along. It's just a gravel road, a little bumpy, but it's just like any other road. This mirror is wonderful. I really like the highway dirt bike. The one thing I do like about the double take mirror is that it does sit high. My eyesight is staying up high and I can see behind me. I don't have to look down. Highway dirt bike mirror, I have to, you know, glance down as if I was glancing down at my Speedo or something. That brings up a good point. Mirrors are just for reference. They should never be relied on. I mean, your head needs to be on a swivel whenever you're riding a motorcycle. You should be able to turn completely around, see where you need to go, turn the other way. You know, use the mirrors to reference to see, like, just keep track if people are behind you or not. But if you're actually going to make a maneuver, you need to turn your head and look. So, as a reference mirror, my preference is definitely the highway dirt bike's mirror. And now we're off-road. So let's get officially off-road, you know? Let's fold up these mirrors. Now the highway dirt bike mirrors, they sit nicely in the little eyelets of the handguard. With the double take mirrors, it's a simple ram mount. Ram mount's really nice. I like to fold mine, stick it under there. And I usually have a second one, as required by Quebec law. Most state laws, I think, too, require two mirrors. But I didn't bring it on because I already got three. Very simple. I even do it one-handed usually. I just snug it up a little bit, make my adjustments as I'm riding, and then you know, there you go. The highway dirt bike mirror is not as easily pulled out one-handed. I usually have to take two hands and kind of go like that. and then you can do a little bit of adjustment and they stay solid wherever you leave it. It's such a lightweight piece that it's not going to be affected by bumps or anything like that. Compared to this, if you don't tighten it down all the way, even just shaking it around like that, it'll loosen up. So sometimes you really have to crank down the double take mirrors, which isn't a problem. It's a ram mount, so it can handle it. Double take mirror is out of the way, but not as out of the way as the highway dirt bike mirror. And so another point to highway dirt bike. In general, if you do break them, which you won't, unless you're crazy like me, I broke this piece here on the ram mount, and all I had to do was buy the new ram connection. It was like $5 for the highway dirt bike mirrors. All these pieces are replaceable. If you just contact Highway Dirt Bikes, they're really great to deal with. When I got this kit, I ordered the wrong top clamp. If you're doing a fat bar upgrade, it's going to come with the fat bar adapter, and you're going to need a top clamp to go with it. And you want to get a 90 by 38 by 40, not the 100 by 38 by 40. You want the 90. I made a mistake and ordered the 100. Got it. Emailed them that day. Got back to me real quick. They said, oh, we'll ship you out the right one and just send us back the other one when you get a chance. And I was like, sweet. Got to me in like 3 days, and I shipped back the other one, and we're good. They're really great to deal with. The mirrors were on back order when I originally ordered the kit, and they got those shipped out to me in less than a week. And they kept me updated on it and everything. So really great company to deal with. They're based out of Colorado, and American-made products, you know, up here in Quebec. But yeah, so I really like the highway dirt bike setup. You can get different colors for the little plastic windbreakers, and they just are stout. We're gonna say goodbye to these double take mirrors. It's not because they're bad, but because I'm done with them. I've moved on. I've accomplished my goals with dual sport mirror performance, and I found the top performer. So there's the verdict, and that's what I'm going to say. So obviously we're officially off-road. This is a much cleaner setup, and I love it. So let's go. Whoa, slippery. Whoa. Woo, woohoo, woohoo. Oh, come on. Oh, a little ice at the bottom of this. Oh boy. Alright, let's see if bald tires can still get us up a hill. We'll stay in first gear. Nice smooth throttle, that's what it takes, right? Son of a bitch. Again, man, I tell you, that's the one thing that's been pissing me off the most lately. It's the goddamn shifter. It gets caught on everything, gets bent out of shape, and pisses me off. It's gonna break one of these days, so I need to get a replacement. Oops, too far. That should do. What I probably need is a damn skid plate. Help block a little bit from there. That might help. Yeah. Don't tell me you bent again, you damn it. Oh, it's almost 1 o'clock. Seahawks game's coming on. I need to get back. See if I can get it up one-handed. Yeah, alright. That ain't so bad. Yeah, that one's good. This one's trickier. do it one hand. Yeah, that's perfect. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the winter. It's getting cold. That's a big ass boat. I can see my house from here. It looks like it's caught on fire. Oh shit, is it? What? Here comes the sun. Just keep it upright. Oh, that's ice. Oh, Nale, that's ice.
My heart is